Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers. A pleasant good morning. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. You know, Lionfoot, the man of peace. Yo, my dream said the clansman them nearly take me away last night. Yeah, scary dream. After I just watch Sir P, you know, him drop the thing with C4 attack. The latest one. Zine, I'm going to tell you something. I watch it and I was traumatized. Just listening to how the badness run and the system, I was traumatized. And I went back to sleep. And Dream said the man them nearly take me away, all because me know somebody, but me don't know. Somebody make me know somebody, and I never know, say, them in a badness and I mix up and wanted. And I tell you, say, I have to jump up out of my sleep because the man swears my life gone. But I tell you about it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. See? Yeah, man, we are forward.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Me a beg you no fi stop the cry. I am crying for peace. Mr. Shot, I am a crying. I'm begging you please. Put on the gun, stop the pack a pipe. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much innocent life away. Me tired and me fed up by it. Frustration full up my face. Me tired and me fed up by it.
Bless, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Line and line, speak up on yourself. Yes, man, welcome to Lionfoot TV. So, man, I say thank you all for your continuous support. And my fellow Jamaicans, be careful out there, especially on the ground of Jamaica, so the country I run. You know, the man of peace, and I preach nothing but love and unity and strength. You see me, I say, yes, man. So, as me say, I have a vision this morning. Well, a nightmare, I should say. Zine. But we want to check out that song, yeah. You know, crying for peace and tired and fed up by it. I don't know. Two of my songs I'm from the EP, Welcome to Kingston. See, if you haven't listened to the EP yet, please do so. I'm asking you for your support. So I say, yes, man, and I don't know if you are subscribed. Make sure you click the bell so you don't miss the content when I drop on. So this morning, I watched Sir P latest vlog where C4 is talking more like an interview, but only C4 was talking. You know what I mean? I tell my viewers and subscribers. Listening to it, I was traumatized. I was like, you know, thinking to myself, whoa, you know, so the country dangerous, you know, the bad man world, you know, dangerous, it grimy. If you know your friend kill you, police will kill you, your friend betray you and kill you, you know. Get money for your kill and you and them go up and work. So I just listen to the whole thing and I say, John, it's scary, you know, the bad man world is scary. You know what I mean? So listening to the vlog, I'm going to drop back asleep because I had to start work 9 in the morning. 9 a.m. Zine. I'm going to wake up after 5. Saw the notification, I'm going to listen to it and, you know what I mean, went back to sleep. I'm going to tell you the nightmare that I had. Very scary, man. I'm going to tell you about it right now. So don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. And to the youths, them, I beg the youth them to stay away from crime. Badness no pay. You pick it up, you got dead. Police are going to kill you or your friend them. Zine, life is worth living. You better live your life poor more than I run down badness and vanity and lose a lifestyle. More I live to where me 100 in a star. You see me, I even more, you know. A matter of fact, more I break the record of the longest living. So me I say, so yours, stop the crime. So let's get into the dream. This is a vision, you know, that I dreamt. Nightmare after listening to Sir P, C4. Yeah, man, let's get into it. Yes, man, so let's kick off the vision, you know, the dream, the nightmare that I had this morning. You know, Sir P uploaded the vlog with C4, especially giving a history of how, you know, the badness and the gang war with one. But let me declare this now, nothing to do with me, but just tell you about my dream. So exclusive interview with Star with the C4 exposes how black man try to, you know, take away MP Dennis Bailey and the second clansman attempt to kill Popcaan brawling in a Spanish town. So allegedly, apparently, there was twice they make attempt of a Papi. But let me tell you about my dream. Yeah. So after much this morning, listen it this morning after 5, and drop back asleep. So I go hold back the next couple hours of sleep because I start work after 9. So that's 4 hours apart. See? During my sleep, now I had a vision that someone had a stall, me sell in the market. And the vision was in England still, you see me, but it relates on, the clansman them. And him introduced me to a brother. So me and the artist and him say, yo, Roo, me get a lift in the car. The brother where I drive, he apparently one of the clansman them were betray and thing, you see me, runway. And we have a kerosene in the car as well. So the kerosene was a run program for the brother where I drive. Me no know nothing, I'm just an innocent soul in the car now. Zine, book them pick up a next man now. The next man supposed to do the dirty things for the brother where I drive. Zine? Me no know nothing. So them in the car, music I play and them a listen to my song and them a say, Ray, yes. And the brother asks, oh, where him come from, where the driver forward from, and me in the back of the car, and me say two places, but the second place me say Spanish Town. I don't remember the first place where I mentioned where him come from, but me just say it on a joke, Then me kind of observe now and I say, oh, this brother asks us questions, and I start praying on myself, I say, I wonder if something in something. Zine, but me as an innocent person in the car, and just I get a lift as an artist, me no boss now, nothing, but yeah. Zine, so after him asked me where the brother come from, where I drive, I say Spanish Town. The second place, I say Spanish Town. Then him say, which part Spanish Town? I see impression on his face change. The girl come out of the car, the kerosene, she stand up at the front of the car, on the passenger side, lean up on the front of the bonnet, with her phone. And a style like she talk and with a picture, she take the picture of the youth to confirm say him. Seeing the brother where I drive. So I pick up the player now, and the youth come out, next person come out of the car now. We ask the question where the driver coming from, you see me? Then kind of get really more concerned and more suspicious. Then the brother where I drive now kind of pick up the rake, so I take my phone from him, because I play my phone, play him song him off on my phone. So I say, yo, pass my phone, and him give me the phone, and the girl stand up at the front of the car because she don't want him to drive off, because she don't take the picture of the driver, the youth, and think that the kerosene were on the program. Anyway, the youth brother drive off. The next brother will drive off. The next brother will stand up where he's supposed to pull the trigger. He must say trigger man where I suspected. I say, yo, you forgot care about where I'm there now. Where I'm coming from? I say, I don't know him, I just leave me getting out of the car. I don't know him. I mean, now start feel weak on my knees and I say, I don't know him. I try to put on a little badness still now, but the brother say, drape me up and I say, oh, you forgot care about where I'm living. I show me where I'm coming. I say, me and the brother will have the style. A film friend, you see me, I don't know him, I just get a lift. And I say, well, carry me to the brother where make you know him, where I drive the car, and I end up I try to put up a little resistance, and the boy pop off one silver thing. No, I pop off no gun, he pop off one silver thing like a knife or something, But it's not a knife, a silver blade like. You see me? And I just jump up out of my sleep. Because I remember when my youth mother tell me, say, when you're asleep, and you feel like you have a death dream, try to wake up, you see me? And I jump up out of my sleep, and I was really traumatized, and I said, whoa, But my viewers and subscribers just goes to show you, badness not pay. And me watching that vlog from Serpy, as me say, it was really in depth. And to hear all the country run and the badness and the underworld and the crime and violence, yo, wicked man. They're telling you. Yes, man, the organized crime and the politicians them linking up with the gangs them and the dance them. It's like you're not safe because you don't know when you're there gonna come. And I saw the badness set, the underworld criminality. You say once you step in, you can't step out. If you step out, you know you're gonna get take out. You see me? And as I say, listening to the vlog, I tell you, yo, wicked man. And now hope enough youths I listen to this and can change them ways and not get involved too deep in the badness. Better man say you're a coward, And in the vlog, C4 I say, yo, them try for Popcaan twice, and I just on the beach side there. You see me? Our next attempt was in Spanish Town or something like that. But them that bigger than me, I don't know. You see me if I true a liar, but me I tell about my dream. And if that is true, Popcaan is a lucky man. His mother prayers stronger him guzu. Powerful, you see me? But what is to be, yeah, man. But the main thing, my message now to the youths, them, if you listen to this, stay away from badness and crime. It's going to cost your life. Enough of the youth that were involved in the badness, them parents never can afford a funeral fee, much less a lawyer fee. You see me? And Serpy international right now. The whole world are tuned into Serpy. At one point, C4 said, the whole Spanish town. And this is Serpy, is it? So I want to take this time out to say thank you all for, watching this vlog. If you've reached this point, thank you very much. Don't forget to like and share the content. So I don't want to think, about the dream, the vision. This morning, my vision is after watching Serpy vlog, and it's very scary, grimy, and a lot of innocent people lost their lives throughout the gang war of Spanish Town, and elsewhere too, not just Spanish Town, all over Jamaica where gang war involved, can't just go out and catch his shot, be that going and, innocent lost their lives, shopkeeper, and it's very scary, but fellow Jamaicans, big up on yourself, be safe out there, and we beg the youth them once more to stop the crime, think before you act, think twice before you make that choice. This is Lionfoot, the man of pace. Big up on yourself, anyone there, and don't forget to like and share, subscribe, click the bell, and yeah, man, I'm more life, man. Holy man, will I still say, cool shots.